Pinterest doesn't like it when you bulk upload all at one time, and so the Oink extensions Pinterest tool, I was uploading them one after the other until I remembered that Canva has its own scheduler. Let me show you this. Okay, so first we're going to go to sponsored products, then we're going to go to accepted, and we're going to drop down to this is my next one here. So hit the Pinterest button. We're going to go to the template that we have, get rid of this old one. Now remember, all we got to do if we have everything connected is scroll down to Amazon, right? And it's automatically going to carry it over. All you got to do is paste, right? ASIN's there, then you click outside the box, it comes up, you click that, it's going to take the background out of it right away, right? No worries, you don't have to worry about taking the background out, right? You can do that. Click the shop, Wi-Fi camera. Let's change the wording on this to, okay, best sleep pillow, right? So now all we got to do is share it. We're going to come down and hit the Pinterest button, right? It's automatically going to pull the title, going to pull the description, right? It's going to have your disclaimer in there. If you want to be just to be sure, we can always put ad in there, right? You're going to pick your board, early spring must-haves. I'm going to go best Amazon finds. Now instead of hitting the publish now, which will hit it now, you hit this button here, and it's going to schedule it for later. Tomorrow at 11:25 it'll go off. Right? If I wanted to change that, can I change it? Yeah, I can change the time. I can make the time whatever I want. Let's make it 9 p.m. All right? And then schedule. Preparing my design. Your design is scheduled. Now the problem here is if I edit this, I'm going to have to reschedule it. So you don't edit the pin after it's done, okay? So you don't. So that's that. So that's easy peasy. You schedule your pins on Pinterest so they don't have to go all out at once because Pinterest doesn't like that. But if you schedule them every half an hour all through the day, you can schedule your 10 to 20 pins a day, whatever you want to do. There you go. Oh, and if you want to find out how I'm doing on the Pinterest journey, we're in the middle of the second month, towards the end of the second month. Click the link down there, follow, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Are you using Pinterest? What strategies are you using to use Pinterest? Are you blogging when you're using Pinterest? And let me know what you're doing, okay?